on the planet when it comes to breast cancer in San Antonio this week. The San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium attacking this disease that will strike 1 in 7 women. Now, all of those women will have a tough time, but one particular group will face a bigger fight. And tonight, news of a clinical trial that may help.
Angela Smith has already removed her malignant breast cancer lump after being diagnosed with a triple-negative aggressive form of the disease that tends to come back.
Today I'm feeling pretty good. Yesterday I had a lot of fatigue, but that comes with the chemotherapy.
Proportionally, African-American women don't tend to get breast cancer as often as the white population. However, this triple-negative aggressive form does, and that's why it's so crucially important to find a drug to attack it early on.
One of the interesting aspects about breast cancer is it's more commonly going to affect women who are Caucasian. But amongst women of color and African-American women, this is true for triple-negative breast cancer tends to be a more common type that affects them when they are diagnosed with breast cancer.
Wilks is part of a national clinical trial trying an old drug in a new way, and Smith is one of her patients. She says we already know the drug works well on reoccurring breast cancer. Now we're putting it to the test in other ways.
In individuals who do recur, it has powerful effects. So the idea is if we can introduce it a little bit earlier for the person who's at risk, maybe it'll make a difference and prevent them from recurring.
For Smith, she jumped at the chance to help other women, particularly African-American women who must battle this particular aggressive form more often.
It makes sense to me to give it to somebody up front so I don't have to ever go through this again.
Now, the drug is called carboplatin. Smith is taking the chemo well so far, with only some neuropathy pain in her hands so far. Dr. Wilks says it's important for San Antonio patients to become aware of the many local drug trials going on right now. Not only can patients benefit from the special medical care, but San Antonio's research efforts are making a mark worldwide right now.
Take a live look outside with city